just cleaned Lola's cage. I took 2 weeks off of vlogging because the past 2 weeks have not been very good. I had another infection on my eye, so I had to be on antibiotics, and I just finished them yesterday and it's a lot better, so hopefully that is in the past. And also the week before, I lost my bag. So I had to spend the Sunday that I lost it canceling all my cards, and then I just wasn't in the mood to vlog or anything like that. But this week I just came home from a workout. We went to F45, which is a high intensity training class. I used to work out every week pre-pandemic. We used to always go to Barry's, but this is the first time I went to a class since a year, and I almost threw up. But we had bagels after, and then I just got home and washed my face, cleaned the bunny's cage, so now they're all settled. Today I am going to go to Soho with my sister to buy a new wallet. Update on the bunnies: they're doing very well. They are fully bonded, and Toffee is going to get spayed in June. Okay, I just changed into this like corset tank top and some jeans, or some pants. I'm gonna put on some makeup and then go meet up my sister. Look who joined. All done. I'm gonna just put on some sneakers and then we're gonna head over to meet my sister and go shopping. We're going to get boba. Got some shrimp rice noodles and then a hojicha and a rose black tea. Got home and I bought a new wallet. I went to buy a new wallet because 2 weeks ago I was walking to get coffee and I was wearing this bag that I bought from Shein, and it was super cute and furry. But while I was walking, the strap broke off and I didn't know until I got to the coffee shop. And everything was gone by the time we tried to retrace our steps. So I lost my wallet and I lost my AirPods, but hopefully I won't lose this one because I already lost 2 wallets since I moved to New York. So 3rd time's the charm. It's wrapped so pretty. My boyfriend's next to me and this is also his first time seeing what wallet I got. It comes in a dust bag. This is the one I chose. I actually was debating if I should get it in black, but they didn't have it in black, so I just went with this color. It's also a neutral, but it opens up as a trifold. And you can also put coins on this side. But yeah, let's not lose this one, Michelle. Good morning. I just put all of the bunnies' blankets and towels into the wash. And then I need to clean their cages again because I clean them daily. And I'm gonna Swiffer and then vacuum. I just finished Swiffering the apartment. I didn't show the kitchen area because my boyfriend is working right now, but Toffee is scared of the Swiffer. So she came to hide here. Why are you scared? But I want to show, when we first got Toffee, we were using Shadow's old bowl that he keeps here. And then since we started to have Lola and Toffee stay in one area, we put it outside, but Lola is able to tip that over. So we went to Target and I found this really cute tray. It's supposed to be for chips and dip, I think, but we just fill this part with water and then we fill their breakfast and lunch on this side. So cute for $20. But now that we are done with Swiffering, we can put this back to where it belongs. Put it right there. They have their litter and that one, and then also, a good tip is if you make lemon water or honey lemon tea, you can just throw everything down the drain and then use this. What is this called? Like a blender thing. If you put lemon in there and it makes your sink smell fresh. So I just put the bunnies' blankets and towels into the dryer, but my dad sent me this video on a really cool hot dog recipe, so I'm gonna try that out now. Careful.
Go. Oh.
Fail. We're back from a short intermission, and this is what it looks like right now. I talked about these Velcro stickers that you usually put under your carpet so they don't move. I had a genius idea to put on the end of this blanket, and I can just roll this out for Toffee and Lola whenever I feed them their greens. So I really just throw it out for them. Hey, I have a crush on A, B, C, and D. Can you contact them? Our dinner just came. We decided to eat at our favorite sushi restaurant today.
Come back when they're open. Check their website for more details on that.
Wow, so good.
Every Saturday, April through December, underneath the Manhattan Bridge Park. Now, when we talk about Manhattan Bridge overpass, where is the Manhattan Bridge overpass? So you're literally in the heart of Dumbo. You can get tons of different crafts from local artisans, local artists.